Ooh, very cool.
Sounds like somebody's got the hiccups.
Yeah, and I've had them all morning. I hate it.
What the hell was that?
Sorry, I was just trying to scare the hiccups away.
With Boo? Besides, I'm a grown man. You can't just scare my hiccups away. I've tried everything. Trust me.
Believe me, dude, I'm like the spookiest guy you've ever met. I bet you $5 I can scare your hiccups away.
Yeah, sure. You got it. But I'm telling you, dude, I'm gonna need, like, medical help. It's not even funny. Dude, come on, don't text and drive. I've already got these damn hiccups. I want to die in a fucking car crash, too.
Calm down. I'm the best at multitasking. Some might say I'm the multitask king.
Seriously, just put it down, dude. You should have done that before we pulled out back there.
As if your yelling isn't distracting enough.
Just put it down and look at the road. You're not even texting and driving. You're basically just texting. Justin, the fucking road! Look out! What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? That was a fucking person! You just ran somebody over, Justin! What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh, shit. Oh my fucking God!
Bill.
What the fuck? You fucking killed someone! You killed that guy because you were texting!
I don't know, man. It sounded like he blamed you. I kind of agree.
What? You literally ran him over with your car! What are you talking about?
I'm just going off the words and experiences of this guy.
He doesn't know what happened!
Don't speak ill of the dead.
He's dead because you fucking ran him over!
What have you done to good boy the Empire? Look what they did to my boy! Which one of you did this? And do not tell me that you're innocent. It would only serve the purpose of insulting my intelligence. And makes me very angry.
Damn it, Greg, look what you did! What I did?
Shut up! You there, Mr. Hiccups. Your name is Greg?
Yes, sir.
Well, you see, Greg, I don't like violence. I'm a businessman. Blood is a big expense. Now, though, now you've made it personal. You've gone against the family. And your hiccups fucking annoy me. Any last words, Greg?
I didn't fucking know, man! I didn't do it! I swear to God, he was fucking driving!
I didn't fucking do it, man! I didn't. Shh. Oh, guy, we got us a pisser. Whoa! I just got one thing to say to you, Greg. Your hiccups are gone.
See, I told you I could scare the hiccups away.
What?
Yeah, I set this whole thing up to spook you, because you said I couldn't.
When? when I was texting. See over there? That's my friend Terry.
What's up?
Yeah, these are all actors. There's an FX team over here. That's not a real mafia don. That's Joe. He works at the Family Dollar.
Great working, Witchins.
He didn't even say anything. These were all just quotes from The Godfather. Looks like you owe me $5. Listen, we're super late now. We got to get out of here. The whole day can't be about you, Greg. Great work, everybody.
What?
Arrivederci. Buongiorno.
How y'all doing today?
Doing good.
Great.
I had hiccups, but then I ate a cookie.
Hold for spectators. Oh, you better let them know we're not actually killing someone. Oh my God, Chris, there's so much piss. Good cut.
Yeah.